Well, what can I say? It all started really well. I did my introduction. Hello everybody, this video is sponsored by Freewell, but it's only by product placement and they don't get to watch the video before or have any influence on my opinion about it. I did my initial talk about it. You can lock in the shutter speed 1/120, and then I started flying. And this happened. So the one time that I don't have the card in my goggles because I used it for the Mini 3 Pro. I fly with above the open ocean right there, and the drone just decides to do a flick to the left, just like that. I was flying it with this, had no problems flying through these trees. And I lost my drone. Oh my God. I know I have carry fresh, but I know that they say that I have to retrieve it. The problem is, it literally went down right here, right in this pocket. And this is the reason why I can't go there. See that? I will never be able, nobody will ever retrieve this drone. I don't know what to say, man. Fuck. I just lost. I sank my Avata and I don't have video of it either because I don't have a card in my goggles. Oh my God. So it's been a few minutes. It's been a few minutes since I cried. I work hard for these drones and I work hard for my money, and I don't know what happened. It was a weird flick. I was flying in between the tree lines, like past a couple branches. Figured afterwards I'm gonna use the motion controller to get the tight shots. And then I wanted to do a coastline chase, which I did. I went above the coastline. And then over there is where the waves like puff up like really high, and they were just about to build up. And I did a turnaround and the drone did like a whoop, whoop, and then she just went flip around, and then all I saw was straight into the water, and that was it. And the bad part is I can't retrieve it from there because you're gonna die jumping into that water right there. So if you guys know how to pull, I have no idea how to do that. I'm honest, I don't know how to pull telemetry. I'm just, for a loss of words right now, I'm gonna go through the carry fresh. Yeah, I do have carry fresh. The drone is a week and a half old. I had nothing but good experiences, and boom, just like that, within a second. And just so happened this one time that I don't have the card in my goggles because I just took it out. There's the motion controller. There's the Mini 3. I literally just took the card out. There's the controller that I just used. And what kind of really sucks is that here's the goggles card that I usually use, and it was still in the computer because I pulled down the footage the other day. And the bad part is that I forgot it at home. That's the reason why I took out the 128 gigs to put it in the Mini 3. So I'm for a loss of words. I don't know what to say right now. I like literally cry right now. I'm in an area where I cannot call anybody because there's like no reception over here either. So I'm gonna be driving for like 20 minutes before I get anywhere that I can share this. So I figured I'm gonna catch the raw emotions on this camera. I'm probably gonna laugh about it later, but I just cried because this is like $600. This is even $50. It's like, I just don't have it, man. I just don't. I pump everything into this YouTube channel. I'm sorry, I just I'm venting right now. I don't even know if I'm gonna put this in the video, man. I always try to catch the nicest thing for you guys. I guess this is the... I've never crashed a drone like this. Just, it wasn't even... I'm telling you, it wasn't my fault that drone just did that shit on its own. I'm so mad right now. I cannot describe how I feel right now, but I'm slowly getting over it. I know it's been an ongoing rant about it, but I don't even think it was my fault. The sticks were calibrated, firmware was up to date, I updated the controller, everything was paired. I had 20 something satellites, I had the full HD bar. I don't know what to say. I'm clueless. I have no idea. So, well, hopefully once I figure out how to do the telemetry stuff and I can pull that off and open up the ticket with DJI, I keep you guys up to date, definitely. But I'm hurting right now. I'm really hurting. Thanks for watching, guys. Be a nice human, make somebody else smile, and definitely pay it forward, no matter what. Just be nice. Life goes on. Right. Love you all. Aloha.